Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to play Spotify on Discord. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go to a server, for example this one, and then tap on General. So you will be able to see this here, the voice connected, okay? And then make sure that you are playing your Spotify and then minimize it, okay? And then right after that, you will just have to go to these options here. And then when you tap this one, it means that you can share your screen to the people that is in this server. Okay, so let's exit this one first. And then let's navigate to our settings. Okay, and then scroll down until you see the registered games. So just click on it, and then as you can see to your added games, you cannot find your Spotify. So just click on this add it and then search for Spotify and then add game. So just toggle this one on, the toggle overlay option. Just click on it and then exit this one. So right after that, you can see the Spotify here, and then you will just have to click on this screen overlay. Okay, and then click on this go live. Okay, now as you can see on this screen overlay, okay, the stream is paused. So you will have to go to the Spotify that you have minimized, and then right after that, the people that is in this server will be able to listen to the song that you're listening to. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.